Yo, yo. What's up, guys? It's been a while since we did a video. Why can't I ever act normal during these fucking videos, bro? My God. Okay, anyways, listen. As you guys know, I've been passing funded accounts like they're my bitch, okay? How so? I have like 20 fundeds. Oh, don't believe me? Let me go to my FundedNext. Here they all are. 15 here, and then I got another 5 right in here. I gotta hang up still. Let me open them up. Fuck. Bang, 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 bang. Okay, they're all right here. Gotta hang them up still. I like hanging them up, you know? Because 3 years ago, couldn't even pass one. I could barely even get past phase 1. But now I'm busting them out. Left and right. Yo, what? Anyways. So, yep, let me slide down. Yep, there we go. So, anyways. In the Discord, which is free, you should join. I would love for you guys to join. I would love to get 100 people in there. I literally have 20 people, and the only active person is me. So yeah, if you're serious about trading, if you actually want to learn, join the Discord, bro. It's fucking free, and it's pretty cool in there. You know, chop it up. I'm in there. I try to be as active as I can be, especially when no one else is active in there. Used to be like 2 people who were active in there, but it kind of died out. Probably because I kind of died out. I'm not gonna lie. Stopped posting on pretty much everything. But I'm trying to get back into it because I kind of just like fell out of it, honestly. Yeah, I fell out of it. I haven't had any drive to post anything. Don't know why. Probably because I've been racking up funded accounts and been doing really well with my trading, and I kind of don't want to fuck it up and start posting content again. But I think it's time to post content and honestly take over the fucking game because I actually know what the fuck I'm doing. Genuinely. I've been in the trading space for over 7 years, started with cryptocurrency. I've been trading futures now going on 4 years. So 2027 will be my 4th year. So I'm 3 years in the game. Uh, it's been a journey. Anyways, had people in the Discord asking me, well, the one kid was asking me, like, yo, bro, how are you passing these accounts so quickly? Like, I'm been on this one for months. Listen, I'm going to show you, okay? I'm going to be genuine as fuck, and I'm going to show you. And I'm not going to keep it light, like, oh, 1% risk. It's a bullshit, okay? That's what these funded accounts want you to do is risk 1%, so then you never pass the fucking account. And I'm going to use the example for 50Ks because that's all I usually use is 50K accounts. But I'm going to show you how very quickly, literally within 3 days, okay? But you need to understand you're going to be risking more money. You're not going to be risking no cookie cutter 1% bullshit because then you'll be trying to pass the account for fucking months or weeks. We don't want that. We want funded within the week, okay? So then we can start getting payouts. That's the goal. Anyways, I'm going to pick a random day on here, okay? Start new. Random. My eyes are closed. I don't even know what I'm clicking. Bang, right here. Okay, whatever that is. Just going to go for it, bro. Just going to go for it. Now I'm going to take 2 trades, okay? 2 trades with 5 contracts. E-minis. 5 contracts. We want our risk to be at least low-key, bro. Not a whole grand, but low-key up to a grand. Why? Because on 50K accounts, you have $2,000 that you can lose, which I'm going to be real with you. I'm going to give you some straight knowledge. You're paying for a 50K account, but yet you can only trade with 2K. Come on, bro. These fucking fine accounts are low-key still, like, they make so much money off of traders. It's insane. But, and they're taking 20%. Some of them. Some take less. Anyways, all right, we're going to go to 9:30 open. Here we go. It's a Thursday, July 23rd. Let's play it out. I'd be trading on the 15-minute right now, but I'm going to take entries on the 5-minute, and I'm going to erase. Don't worry about the VWAP, but it's been fucking fire lately. Just saying, it's been fire lately. But let's see if we can get a trade. And if you guys have followed me or subscribed to the channel, then you know how I trade already. It's the same, but less bullshit if I'm being honest. Okay, so right now we have a pullback. Okay, we just broke this structure to the downside. So obviously, we probably want to come lower, right? Now, if I wanted to, I'd do my whole bullshit check. Okay, well, we just took out those lows, so we could want to come up. But let's check the 30-minute here and see if there's anything going on. Okay, inverse, not inverse, fair value gap. We could actually use this. Oh, fuck, dude. Okay. Listen, I'm going to treat this as if I have a demo account and I need to pass it. Okay? I'm taking the trade. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. Strong confirmation. We're bullish or we're bearish. We're coming down. I think we can come lower. Oh, dude, look at this liquidity down here. Yeah, we're coming. We're taking that shit out. Let's be honest. Taking that out. This is going to be already. You know, this is a high probability trade. Let's be honest. Bearish structure, right? Bearish structure. Huge liquidity down here that we want to grab. Duh. I mean, there's how many buyers are in right here? We got to take them out. We got to sweep liquidity. Anyways, I'm entering. I would have had a limit order up here. I'm entering right now, and I'm going to show you the correct risk. 8 contracts. Let's see what it looks like up here. Way too much money to be on the table. Okay. I mean, you could get fucking max allocated and just, or you could get margin called and stopped out. You don't want that. Even 5's too many, okay? Listen, bro, we really just want this to say 1,500 or 3K. I'm not even capping with you. I'm gonna keep it real, like honestly. 26, that's fine if you wanna get it in 2 days. 1,500, I can risk 1,500. And guess what? I will cut it instantly if we break above the fair value gap. Okay, we're in. Now this will be an easy trade. Okay, it will be easy as fuck. Let's go back to the 15-minute. Let's see the 5-minute. Okay, there's some strength coming up, but I think we can come back down. Okay. Looking good. Oh, money. Okay, hold on. Stop. Wait. As the market's moving, I'm doing this. No brainer, right? Duh. Okay, stopped out. We got, look at that wick, bro. Oh my god. Thank God I moved my shit down. But look, we're up 1,900, bro. 1,900. Okay, bet. Done for the day, right? Let's move to the next day. You can't help that. You would have passed it in the first day, and you were smart. You lowered your stop loss, okay? You brought it down. For fucking $2,000 pretty much, bro. You just need another grand in another day, and you pass your account. Like, seriously. Only 4 E-minis, bro. 4 E-minis, dude. Listen, bro, I'm tired of people being like, oh, 1%. Bro, it's going to take you a fucking month to pass your funded. If you are confident in your edge, in your strategy, in your discipline, in your patience, in the trade, take that motherfucker. Okay? Even the pros do that, bro. If they have a strong A+ setup and they know it's an A+ setup, okay, and they're confident about it, they aren't risking 1%. Okay? They're risking upwards to 20%, some of these professional hedge funds. I'm not kidding. Okay, now let's go to the next day. Let's go, what is it, Thursday? Okay, let's see if Friday has any trades for us. Now listen, bro, this is still all about patience. Okay, if there's no trade Friday, we're not taking a trade. Now, don't forget, I'm not even looking at news. I have no idea what the fuck was going on today. And low-key edging us out like that is low-key upsetting as fuck. I guarantee you we're probably going to hit it too. 100% we're going to hit it, watch. Oh, what a great stop loss, bro. Okay, that's dubs. That's a great trade on our part, honestly. You can't help that. Okay, you can just, that's trading. Reason I take 15 minutes for my well, not even entries. You see, we used a 30-minute fair value gap for our entry. Came right up into it. We wicked into it. We would have got a limit order for sales. Would have put us in. We would have got filled. Instantly came straight down. Now you could have sold. Oh my god, bro, we were up $3,000. We were up $3,000. I'm just realizing that because the take profit was 3,500. So we would have been up like 32, I bet, or 31. If you don't take profit when you're already up your profit target, you're a fucking idiot. Period. I wasn't even realizing. We'll just continue going. But if I was watching it live in front of me and my P&L's 3,100, bro, liquidate that shit, sell it. You pass your account in one day. Anyways, though, we're going to continue moving forward. We didn't see that. And we were just following our trading rules. So you can't help that, right? Followed our trading rules. That's whatever. It happens. Anyways, moving forward. 15-minute. I like to find the setups on the 15-minute because why? In my personal opinion, it's just stronger confluence, and I like it. And I'll take the entries on the 5-minute. Sometimes I'll even go up to the 30-minute like we just did and find entries and take it on the 5-minute or the 15-minute. It's all preference. I just personally like the 15-minute now better. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, boom. Market structure shift. I like that. And guess what? We never took out that sell side liquidity, so we could go after that. That could still be our target for a take profit. And we have an inversion on the 15-minute. All I would want is for us to come back into it. Now listen, we did, but it wasn't. It was directly at 9:30. Sometimes some people wouldn't take that trade, so let's hope we can get another entry. If not, that's can't do nothing about it, right? We don't need much though, just like $2,000 or $1,000. And that's literally perfect. And I'm putting my stop loss. I'll put my stop loss at that wick right there. 880s, whatever. I mean, you still got your account that's with $1,000 in it. So I mean, you're chilling low key. VWAP is strong. Everything looks good. Let's see if we can get an entry. Okay, no. But, that was beautiful. Now, if this was me, I would have taken this trade instantly right when we came into it because we closed under that zone. Well, we closed under the market structure shift here, right here. So we're bearish. The trend is no longer an uptrend. It's a downtrend, right? We were making fucking higher highs, lower highs, not anymore, okay? So we could have got filled, but we didn't. Anyways, no trade there. But look, we hit our TP. We would have, at least. Okay, whatever. Let's see if we can find something else on the same day, though. All right. Let's go lower. Let's see if there's a potential entry. If we could come down into it. We missed it. See, sometimes that's what happens on the 15-minute, though. You miss these entries. Could have had an entry right here on the 5-minute. Now, if it's live, if I'm live, I'm looking at every fucking time frame, okay? You guys need to be doing that. But we're back testing right now, so it's really kind of fucked. But we would have taken this trade. I would have put my stops right there. Put this right here. Let's see if it hits. If we come back down into it, I'm going to enter. Okay, take profit hit, but we never took that trade. That sucks. In real life, we're taking those trades. Okay, guys, you got to be fucking sharp and see it. We're taking those trades. Let's see though. Ooh, this could be a trade still. Why? Because we came up into this 15-minute fair value gap. Do you want to be a sicko? Do you want to be a degenerate? Do you want to go for it? Let me see if we break under the VWAP, and then I'm taking the trade. Not yet. Not yet. Money. I'm in that shit like swimwear. Straight up. Fuck it. Put it right here. We don't need much. Put that up here. Let's sell that, John. This is like a 1-to-1. Right at noon. Could get a push down. People are at lunch, though. Probably not much volume. Volume is dying out, but it is bearish volume. Let's play it out. Money. Guess what, guys? You're at 3,100. You just passed your account in 2 days. Patience. With patience. With patience. You pass your account in 2 days, bro. If you're taking these trades like I am. Okay, I don't know what your strategy is. I don't know what the fuck your odds are of winning. I don't know, I don't know any of your guys' shit. All I know is my system fucking wins over time. I have back tested over 70 fucking hours, okay, of price data, spanning back from 2023, I believe, all the way up until now. Over 468 trades, okay? And it is a profitable strategy. That's all I know. That's all I care about. And now it's just on me to repeatedly fucking follow it with patience, okay? Anyways, you pass your account in 2 fucking days. Now, guess what? You get to trade on a funded account. That's pretty much it, bro. It's literally, I hate to be like, it's that easy. Because, I couldn't do it either. Because why? I was following the 1% risk. Bro, that's not how these guys are fucking treating these fundings, bro. They're bang, bang, bang. They're risking way more than you think to hit their fucking profit. They are. Maybe they have a goal of, oh, let me pass it in a week. Okay, then they're risking less, and they're making probably like 500 here, 1,000 here. Oh, maybe they risk $500. They hit a 1 to 2. Boom, they make 2 grand. Or they make a grand. Okay, let me do that again. Boom, they make a grand. Boom, they do it again. They make a grand. Oh, wow, you pass your count in 3 days. Maybe they're risking like fucking $700 and they hit some bullshit 1 to 2. Oh, they made like 1,400, 1,500. They do it again. Oh, pass their account in 2 days. You have to just understand the risk management of the account. And I mean, if you have a good trade, you're able to do it. But you need to know it's an A+ setup. You need to know it's strong confluence. Don't be no gambling bitch. Okay, you see how I waited for it to break the VWAP? I didn't just guess and take it right because, oh, the fair value gap showing support. It's showing resistance to the downside. I'm going to take the trade. No, that's bullshit. I don't care about that. We could have easily got wicked up. Could have easily came back up and got wicked up. It could have been just a fucking fake out. Went right back up. Used that fair value gap. Or that. What was it? An inversion? Yeah, it could have used that inversion, broke through it, then used it as a fair value gap, which it was supposed to be originally. Look, support, support, support. Well, you can't even see my fucking finger. Support, support, support. Broke through. Resistance, 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 resistance. Okay? So that's a whole zone right there. That's a psychological zone, pretty much. Supply and demand bullshit. It's literally all the fucking same, bro. Just different names. Like, dead ass. But yeah, you pass the account in 2 days, bro. It's literally that. Follow that system. Follow that system. The 15 minutes of strong confluence, bro. That's where you'll be able to find some easy fucking setups. I'm telling you. 15-minute structure, 5-minute entries. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. It's a game changer. Also, actually, I'm not going to show you that. I'm not showing you my VWAP settings because they're different. They're not the normal VWAP settings. Buddy. Anyways, that's it, honestly, for this video. Pretty simple. Again, here's all the fundeds that I have passed. I also have fucking 10 hanging up right in front of me on my wall. There's a couple payouts there. Don't forget, they're taking 20%. There's also a couple fees on top, and it's a 50K, their 50K's account. So you're making around 1158 a week when you get payouts weekly, because FundedNext is doing they do like 3 days and you can get payouts. I'm not affiliated with them. I should probably get an affiliate link, but I don't have any of that shit. Honestly, I should start doing it, bro, because a little extra cheddar don't never hurt nobody. But hey, man, that's the video. Honestly, I'm just glad I got something uploaded, well, up in the fucking system, and it's just on me to upload it now. And let's fucking run it up, bro. We're taking this shit down. Let's run it. Peace out, guys. Have a good one. As always, happy trading. Let's run it up.